Good day, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, we are going to introduce Playwright, and we are also going to use Playwright with Mailosaur. In a previous playlist, I've already done using Mailosaur with Cypress, and in that video, I stressed emphatically that Mailosaur helps you to retrieve not just tokens from your emails, but also from SMS, from your SMS messages. So you use Mailosaur for that. But for the whole video series, we'll be concentrating on how you can use Mailosaur to extract links from the email. So this is also going to give us the opportunity to also introduce Playwright with JavaScript as well. In the previous playlist, I've already shown you how you can set up your Mailosaur by signing up and how you can connect to the server. And I've also talked about the difference between the server keys and the API client keys. So you can try to just look at the second playlist, the second video of that playlist to get all this information. And if this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, like I said, we're just going to talk about how to use Playwright, how to set up page object modeling in Playwright, and how you can use Playwright to with Mailosaur to retrieve emails. So if you've gotten this far, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also add comments. The likes and the comments that you add is the way to encourage me to keep making all these videos for free. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.